Hello, it's Jenny from the Green Holiday Cottages. St Patrick's Day is almost upon us and I thought I'd share with you our recipe for an Irish coffee. So I have an Irish coffee here, which I shall enjoy in a moment, and I'm going to show you how to make an Irish coffee. Essentially it's a cocktail. It was invented in the 1940s by a man called Joe Sheridan down in Limerick, and it was made because there was a flight that was delayed on its way back to America, and to pacify the passengers, Joe developed this drink. Now I think Joe actually is from County Tyrone, so a very famous drink that is enjoyed worldwide. So 4 ingredients, really simple. So you need some brown sugar, some whipped double cream, some strong coffee, and you can use decaffeinated if you want to, and then of course the all important Irish whiskey. And for this recipe we are using Jameson's. Other whiskies are available, but for this we prefer Jameson's. So to start with, warm your glass. So warm your glass with some hot water, and add 2 spoonfuls of sugar. And depending on how sweet you want it and how big your glass is, I would say practice this a few times is probably the best idea as well. Practice makes perfect. So fill your glass with, not to the top because you want to put in your Irish whiskey. So dissolve your sugar in your hot coffee. And you can see, if I show you that's how much space I've left at the top and how much coffee I have in. This isn't a huge glass. Okay, so to dissolve the sugar, then I've already measured out my Jameson's. So 1 finger width is a fluid ounce. So a lot of the recipes ask for 2, but this is quite a small glass, so I've only used 1 finger width, which is 1 fluid ounce. Depending on how big the kick you want, you can add some more or less. You can work it out yourself. So then just add the whiskey and give that a stir. If you want to add a little bit more coffee, you can. Fill it up, and then you want the cream floating on the top. And the idea is not to stir the cream in, okay, just let it float on the top. I quite like a lot of cream, so I put 2 dollops in. Should have taken that spoon out. There you go. So there you go, that is, and that's my Irish coffee. So happy St Patrick's Day. I'll enjoy this. Maybe go and find Mark and give him this one. So happy St Patrick's Day.